Alright, you guys, for this video today I'm going to show you how to do our Leaders of World War II assignment to figure out who was in charge of World War II of different countries, how did they rule, why did they rule the way that they did, and what did that look like. So for today, for this assignment, you are going to be going to Schoology and you're going to be looking for the assignment that says Formative F World War II Leaders. Once you click on that and you open it up, it should take you to a spot where you have to click on My Document, and you are going to open up the document, and it's going to have a bunch of pictures of leaders on it, and it's going to say name and title, government, World War II goal, and allies. Now you're probably like, where do we get this information, Miss Seaver? How do we figure that out? In the Pear Deck, there's a link. There's also a link in the directions, and I'll put it on here as well on the assignment that says Leaders of World War II information. So you'll use slides to answer this information by looking at the picture and the slide to fill in the information. So when you get to here, I'm just going to put a sign right here that says link here. Ink here, that's almost right. Oh, apparently it's not working on that keyboard. Alright, so you'll click on this link and it will open up the Leaders of World War II notes. You'll see in the Pear Deck or in the slides here that it'll say complete World War II Leaders notes with the slides. Alright, so you'll have the notes open, you'll have the slides open, and then at the end you got to figure out who's on whose team. So when you go through the slides, what you'll notice is they're outlined the exact same way as the notes. So when you look at this, the first person is FDR, Franklin Delano Roosevelt. His title is President. He was in charge of the United States. His goal was to defeat Germany and secure democracy across Europe, and he was part of the Allied forces, or the United States was part of the Allied forces. So we look at this slide and then we need to copy this information into our notes. So name and title, we would put FDR, and he was president. If we go back, we have to figure out what was his government style. How did he rule? What was the type of government? And where? United States. So he was in charge of the United States. His goal in World War II, what was he trying to do? Defeat Germany and secure democracy, which is our kind of government that we have in the United States. Secure democracy across Europe. And he was part, or the United States was part of the Allied forces. The slides go in order with the worksheet, so you should be able, as long as you figure out that was slide 1, and then you'll go to the next slide, they do go in order with the worksheet. So again, using the slides to fill information, kind of like you would for notes. When you're done, you'll submit, and hopefully you'll have a good idea of who's on whose side and who's the leader of each country. I hope this video helps, and as always, let us know if you have questions on how to do the assignment. Thank you guys.